Hey guys, it's Lisa with Salesvision 100 Video Challenge, video 71, I think. I hope everybody's doing well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're new, just, hit subscribe and smash the bell so that you'll get notified every time I release a new video. I've been doing 100 videos in 100 days, and we're going to get right into it with the Chopra meditation, 21-day meditation experience we've been doing. And so far we've done day 1 and day 2, and I'm a little behind in getting to day 3, but we're going to go ahead with day 3. If you've already done it, then this would be just a review for you. Okay guys, if you go to chopracentermeditation.com, that's where we're at. Or if you look below the video in the description, I have a link to the original invitation for this 21-day free meditation experience. Okay, day 3. The topic is choosing an optimal lifestyle. And today's centering thought: I welcome change with joy and acceptance. In the ever-changing society that we have, and the way the world is over the past few months with COVID-19 and all that, we better welcome change with joy and acceptance, or at least acceptance, because there's been a lot of changes. The message of the day: you can't make positive choices for the rest of your life without an environment that makes those choices easy, natural, and enjoyable. And that's a quote by Deepak Chopra. In today's meditation, we explore how we can increase our healing and renewal through adopting optimal lifestyle habits. This involves bringing greater awareness to our choices around sleep, eating, moving the body, and stress. We discover that making positive changes in these areas doesn't have to be a struggle. In fact, with expanded awareness, creating an optimal lifestyle can be joyful and empowering. These positive feelings build momentum, and we find that old dysfunctional habits fall away on their own. Okay, and let's see. Our Sanskrit mantra. Our mantra is YAM, or YAM. I'm not sure how you do it. YAM, YAM. I am receptive and accepting on the present moment. I'm receptive and accepting in the present moment. We'll just play a little of this.
The phrase positive lifestyle choices has gotten widely in recent years, and the intention to improve daily lifestyle choices has sunk in with millions of people. The wellness movement is expanding every year, which is an encouraging development. What is needed now isn't more good advice, but rather two different things: motivation and the ability to undo poor lifestyle choices that cling from the past. Let's explore how to create an optimal lifestyle, and then join Deepak in meditation.
Before the wellness movement was really able to take hold, the concept of lifestyle needed a radical shift. This shift began with going beyond the old system of prevention. The risk factors of prevention are something we all know: avoiding alcohol and cigarettes, eating a healthy, balanced diet, getting enough regular exercise. But prevention had a built-in flaw. It was motivated by fear. If your lifestyle choices led to high risk factors, you would become more afraid of a potential illness.
Okay, that's enough of that. I don't want to play too much of that because I really don't know how that works with copyright violations and all that. But you get the gist of it. You can play that on your own. And right now is perfect for this, because choosing an optimal lifestyle and preventive measures, like what's going on right now with COVID-19, and the preventive measures and things people are doing, a lot of that is motivated by fear. Fear that is added to by the media and the statistics and word of mouth and the reality of the pandemic. There's a lot of fear going on that's motivating people to take up certain healthy practices that maybe they weren't doing before. We should try to motivate positively too, though, and do it because we want to obtain positive results, not just avoid negative results. Now, before we go ahead and do our private meditations, I just want to look at the Reflect in the Journal and what you'll be answering questions on after your meditation. It talks about to experience lasting change and renewal in your lifestyle. It's best to take it one step at a time. Choose from the following list. Write down the unhealthy habit you would most like to undo. Poor sleep, sedentary lifestyle, improper diet, or stress. Oh boy, I could deal with the poor sleep. I could deal with all four of those. But choose one because we don't want to overwhelm ourselves. And I'll probably choose stress. And then question 2, bring awareness to why this unhealthy habit was formed. Write down factors that keep the habit in place, such as too many other demands on your time, lack of attention, thinking it's unimportant, procrastination, old conditioning from the past, etc. Next, question 3, get creative and write down one thing you can do to change this habit from the inside out. For example, if you don't get enough sleep because you don't think it's important, perhaps you can research the benefits of restful sleep to inspire you to get to bed at a reasonable hour. And then you use that space to reflect further on your meditation experience. Okay, so go ahead and meditate on your own, and I'll meditate on my own. And I'd be interested to see people's comments below on how you're doing with the meditation, how it feels, how your experience is going. If anybody wants to share anything from their reflections, I'd be happy, to take a look at that and to respond. So please, the more feedback I get, the better. And if you're liking this, give me a thumbs up if you're getting value out of this. And continue working at it, meditating daily, even if it's for just a couple minutes. If you can't do the whole 10 minutes, do it for 1 minute. Do it for 5 minutes. It's a great practice. It'll help us focus better. It'll reduce our stress, help us sleep better, help us get more done. Okay, and if you haven't yet joined Salesvision and you're looking for either personal development or a way to make some extra money or start an online business, I recommend you joining Salesvision and setting up a free account. You'll immediately get paid $1 on your own personalized Visa Black Card just for signing up. And then you can dive right into Mindset 360, which is a training that is life-changing. It's a transformative journey of 12 steps that will take you through different areas of your mindset and help you get a positive mindset that's conducive to being more happy and successful and to reach your goals. Also, if you have a business or you're starting a business or you're a coach or consultant or you have a website and you're having trouble driving traffic to your offers or your products or services, I recommend you download the free Mass Traffic Blueprint. I have a link below, and that is a game changer. That is by my mentor Vic Streishaus, and you will never ever worry about not getting customers or not getting sales. You will have an endless stream of sales and customers being directed to your website if you follow this step-by-step blueprint that is used by the top 1% of marketers, the top 1% of entrepreneurs. The number one challenge facing entrepreneurs and business people today is getting traffic. That's what surveys tell us is that the biggest problem is. And a step-by-step blueprint like the Mass Traffic Blueprint is a no-brainer. You definitely want to download it. And it's free. And I don't know how long it's going to be free for, but I would do it now while it's 100% free. People are already getting results. Over 100,000 people have downloaded this blueprint just in the first week alone. And, not a lot of people are doing it, Most people are doing traffic the wrong way. Most affiliate marketers are not making much money because they're doing traffic the old traditional ways, and that are platform dependent. And you really need to, if you want to be successful, you need to do something different. And you need to be following people who are getting the results that you want to get. You can start by joining Salesvision and by downloading 4%'s Mass Traffic Blueprint. Those are my 2 recommendations. And a third recommendation, which I belong to all 3 of these, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. But my third recommendation is, I also have the link below, my online startup.com, through Chuck Nguyen, I think. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but that is a training on being a super affiliate. It's normally $2,000, $1,997. It is free for a limited time through that link below on my description, and you can earn money, earn commissions while you're learning to be a super affiliate. It's like affiliate marketing on steroids. Check it out, guys. All 3, you can begin free. Thank you and have a great day. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.